This thing out, man. Without further ado, the commercials. Nah. Yeah. Y'all actually won an award, the Boss Mag 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Y'all won for that media outlet thing.
Man, I don't even know.
Like y'all won. He didn't even know he won it.
Nah. What'd you say? Who was it?
You won the Boss Magazine 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Congratulations. Yo, what's good, man? Listen, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Listen, this is my first time going live and on Facebook at the same time. So salute to y'all for people that's down on my Facebook watching. Salute to y'all. I know y'all here every Sunday. Salute to the new people that's going to be watching every Sunday finally, rather than having to wait on the upload. Salute to y'all for y'all being patient. The 700 and something people that subscribe to my YouTube channel. Salute to y'all. And to the 700 people that's about to go subscribe, salute to y'all too, man. It's been a very, very, very trying week for me this week. I've been extremely busy, but salute everybody with their patience when it comes to hitting me up. Sorry, y'all. Sometimes I just need rest. You feel me? So without further ado, man, let's talk about some of the sponsors, man, before we get started, bro, because I got a great list for you today. I promise you're going to be a way to make a real easy, quick bag off the stock market. So let's run down the sponsors first. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to T-Shirt Kings, 247.com. Gold for your mouth. Shout out to our new sponsors that's sponsoring the Legendary People podcast. If you'd like to sponsor my stock show, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, salute to the sponsors of the Legendary People podcast, man. Y'all haven't got a chance to check that out. Please make sure y'all go subscribe to it on YouTube, man. We going crazy right now, man. So, without further ado, these are the top stocks you should be able to buy based on what your kids want for Christmas, man. You didn't think that you can make some money off of what your kids want? Then you are sadly mistaken, man. Listen, let's think about what your kids want for Christmas, right? They want a lot of the same things that other kids want for Christmas. You know what that does? That's called capitalism, right? Capitalist, be a capitalist. Get DM if you need a hoodie, man. You know what I'm saying? We capitalists, you know what I mean? So let's capitalize on the situation. These are the things that's on your kids' watch list. So, some of your kids want 2K. Because you was like, you know what I'm saying, school going on, you need to focus on school, not be playing the video game. I was like that with my son. But he probably wants 2K for Christmas, right? You should be buying a stock called Take Two Software. It is TTWO. That is a stock you could buy right now. And even if you don't play the game, one of your friends play the game, your ex-boyfriend that left you, he left you for the video game. You can easily make money based off that. You can literally buy this stock on a bad day. Buy a good stock on a bad day. That's what I always tell you, right? Let's talk about EA Sports. That's also does different sports games, stuff like that. Funko. I never heard of this one before, but it's a toy stock, so we all in it. Global X Games, video games of that nature. They have a EFT, was exchange transfer. They have Hero, HERO, right? Hasbro, that's another good one, right? Mattel, you know what I'm saying? Like little kids getting Barbies and things of that nature. But let's look at some of these, man. I don't just want to ramble down list to y'all. Y'all don't be looking at what's going on behind the curtain. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta mind y'all business sometime. Nah. So let's move this over so we can start looking at some of these price points and things of that nature. Let's go. All right. Let's look at Hasbro. I have this one up right here. Make sure I can see this. Okay, boom. Let's look at Hasbro. Hasbro is $100 a share. You know what I mean? You can get in and out of this stock very, very easily. You see this nice little dip. You see it recovering, and we like to see nice, smooth wavelengths moving towards, you know what I mean, the stratosphere, if you want to put it that way. You know what I mean? This is a good stock to get into. As you can see right here, you can see the news down here. Hasbro stock outperformed competitors on strong trading day, and that just happened on the 19th. So my way of thinking is exactly where we're headed. Like, a lot of people already had this thought, and it's all good, right? So let's look up another one. So let's go to, boom, where we at? Boom. All right, so let's do, for y'all that like playing 2K, let's look it up. TTWO. Right? Here we go. We click on this. Now look, you can always just create your own list, whatever the theme is going on. You got to think about that. Like around St. Patrick's Day, when you start looking at beer stocks, things will make you go, right? So I mean, what is this for the day? Let's bang out for the year. Let's see. This is 1 day. Let's go 1 year. Year to day. No, 1 year. I mean, it's a little down, but I mean, if you caught it at the nice wave right here, then you could have made some easy money off of it. But keep these type of things in mind, because your kids are going to be buying these things, which is going to generate income for them, which is going to raise their earnings, which is 4 times a year when they do earnings, right? Let's do another one. Let's do Dollar General. Like a lot of y'all going to be buying, you know what I'm saying, your little nephews and stuff, toys and stuff. Let's look at Dollar General, right? Because some of y'all ain't going all out, spending all your bread on your peripheral kid. Who would think Dollar General would be a $224 stock, right? It must be doing well. You know what I mean? I mean, you see it battle through that. That'd be a good dip to get in, right? Pardon me. Like I said, it's been crazy. For the 1 year marker, it looks good to me. I like it. You know what I mean? I'll be looking to buy this stock on a bad day. Let's go to another one, man. Because listen, a lot of y'all don't think like this. You got to think outside the box. Be a creative investor, man. Be a creative investor. Wait. Man, I wish it was like other. All right, my bad. I got to move this. I'm still mastering this. All right. So let's do another one. Another one that everybody going to be buying is Leapfrog, right? You got Leapfrog. Stop. Don't make a liar out of me. Let's do another one. Maybe that ain't the one. But listen, a lot of y'all gonna be stopping at this place that went nuts recently, which is GameStop. Okay. Now it's playing with me. Boom. My bad. So GameStop, like I expect some movement with GameStop. A lot of y'all was like hoping on the squeeze to happen and things of that nature. Why not just use logic also? You're going to see them turn up, ramp up, them selling game systems, them selling video games. A lot of these things that's included on this list, like Mattel. I've seen Mattel things in there, like different little collector items from all of these different toy things as well. But let's think about dual hitters, man. Okay, so if I already got you in the mind state of you thinking about, let me go ahead and get back to me real quick, just for 2 seconds. So if I already got you in the mind state of watching your kids' shopping list for Christmas that you gave to Santa, right? You can also be adding these to your watch list, but also think about the places where you're going to be buying these at. Let's do another one, right? Because y'all think, because the hardest thing for people to think is, I don't know what to buy. That's what everybody say. Everybody I talk to, they say, I don't know what to buy, Peanut. What do I buy? Right? Listen. If you do not like buying just one thing, like one trick ponies, why not buy the store? Let's think about Target. Pardon me. Target. Let's go to Target. Target. All right, there we go. Target. Target for you bougie fans, right? You could think about stuff like that. Target's down for the day, but that don't mean that it won't rebound based off the sales that it gets from this. So, and these are places that are still open. You ain't got nothing to worry about. You can get in a Target. Look at some of the big dogs. Amazon. I'm not going to show you how much Amazon is, but if you are a person that works during the holidays and then you get a nice little bonus check, you can take that whole bonus and put it on Amazon. You get my permission, and I'm not saying this ain't investment advice. Right? Go do it. That's how confident I am in Amazon, because Amazon is going to be also doing multiple things, such as the metaverse. I'm pretty sure, okay, just because Facebook's doing it, you think there's not going to be a rival to it? Who you think is the biggest player in that field? I would say Google, Amazon, and then Facebook after that. So yeah, even though you watch this on Facebook, I'm slandering you. You know what I mean? So the metaverse, which is now Facebook, Nintendo's a stock, Sony is a stock. Let me give you a nice one, right? Because some of y'all are like me, right? when it comes to buying stocks, this is a little too much around the holiday season. I'm not about to spend on $250 on stock peanut. Is what y'all gonna say to me? Let me give you a Jew. Y'all ready for the Jew? Right? I'm gonna give you a penny stock. Right? Let's go to penny stock. Let's see. All right. So this is gonna be something that you can look into yourself, man. Please do your own due diligence with this one, because as you can see, some of them are doing well, but this is one that I saw was interesting because if you think about it, a lot of toy companies don't really go out of business like that. Vinco Ventures, let's do that. Here we go. Oh, no, this one. Yeah. Slide back. Is that it? BBIG is a ticker for it. Look how this has been moving, man. You know what I mean? This is a penny stock. So, yeah, you don't want to buy the Amazon. You don't want to buy the Facebook. You don't want to buy the one that's, you know what I mean? But how everybody want to get on these new crypto markets before they happen, stocks, it happens also. IPOs happen every day, B. Right? Let's think of some more easy ones, right? Disney. Let's think about Walmart. Know what I mean? Let's do another one. How about Nintendo? You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of y'all got a kid that want to get their little Nintendo together, or think about globally also. Don't make it just be your backyard. Think about what's happening in the world, right? You know what I'm saying? Like China loves Nintendo. You know what I mean? See, don't make me spell it wrong on the live, right? Not the. All right, dude. Where's the it's one of these for sure. It's not that one. I promise you. Let's see. Nintendo. Let me get the ticker for it. Wait, cause they ain't about to do me like this today. Okay. And if you ever want to know the name of a stock, type in whatever it is and then put the ticker. And then once you get the ticker, it's like the fast way of finding your flight. Like, you know, when you're about to go catch a flight and they'll have DAY, that is the ticker. Like, it's a quick way of getting there. So you can easily get to this stock. It's $56 a share. You know what I mean? It's not a bad investment. If you know Nintendo, they're very resilient. I mean, they've been around for a while. And I said Chinese earlier. My bad. I meant Japanese. My bad. But anyways, respectfully, another one is Jax. Let's do Jax while we're here. Jax Pacific. You can always do your Googles. Right? A little $10 stock. You know what I'm saying? It's like, start thinking of the things that you're going to buy either over and over and over again, or think about the trendy thing that's going to happen around you. Don't just be so caught up in, you know, everybody saying buy Lucid Motors, go buy this, go buy that. Who can't tell you that? Be a creative investor. Find one that's down if you know that people are going to be purchasing it in the future. Because if you get ahead of the wave, then you all good. Let me give you another one that has nothing to do with this at all, because I said it to make a broader point. You want to be ahead of the market, right? I mean, right now, yes, buying these stocks during this time right now will be advantageous, or it'll be good for you to buy right now. But if you bought it weeks before this, if you know this happens every single year, you could get ahead of this wave in the summer. You can get ahead of this wave any other time. You know Christmas is going to happen every single year, right? So there's no reasons for you to wait to the last minute to buy things, because right now you're buying things overpriced, overinflated. I say that to make a broader point. The broader point is emerging markets, right? The electrical vehicles, right? Let's think about Tesla. Let's think about Ford. Let's think about other things that are emerging, not even here yet. Think of stocks like that. Start thinking of other things, such as things that aren't legal yet, such as medical marijuana, weed stocks. I see them making a huge push after, you know what I mean, everything get handled with this COVID stuff. To me, it'll send the wrong message from this administration for them to push weed stocks while people are dying for breathing complications. It'll send the wrong message. But nothing, we live in America, strange things happen. But I'm telling you, you want to get ahead of the market, because if you get ahead of the market, you can make money very, very quickly. You can become a capitalist, right? So, man, salute to y'all, man. I ain't want to keep y'all all day. This is probably the longest live I've done in a while. Maybe let me know if y'all like me doing long lives. I mean, I'm very versatile. You know what I mean? I can switch it up. So, man, salute to y'all, man. Please make sure y'all slide over to my YouTube page. Let me see if I can get y'all there. All right. So if you want to find my YouTube page, and shout out to everybody on YouTube already watching this, and bro, we already watching you on YouTube. You can head over to YouTube and look at your boy right here at let's see, Dash Resource. Follow your boy because I drop certain content that I will not drop anywhere else. You easily go here, slide over here. Oh, this is my page. Just subscribe to your boy's page, man. You know what I'm saying? It's lit. You ain't the only person there. You know what I mean? We got 745 subscribers. Shout out to y'all. So, man, you ain't the only person there, man. You ain't late to the party, but, I mean, you know what I'm saying? You showing up a little late. Also, check out some of my last videos. The What Stock Should I Buy for Black Friday, which is coming up. And also, you know, I do daily stock picks. So if you are into that and you want to see some stocks that I buy throughout the week, you can head over there and I do a stock pick every single day. You will not miss it. And shout out to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all showing up. I mean, y'all ain't watched this one. But other than that, it's lit, man. Salute to y'all, man. Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish. I was a little late today. I actually helped a stranger today. Let me put it on me. Now, like a lot of y'all know me, and y'all know I help people all the time, and I don't brag about it at all. But the only reason I was late today was actually, I'm going to tell y'all why, because I'm literally stopping at the gas station, and while I'm at the gas station, I see a car that's like mine. My car is very unique. A lot of y'all know what car I drive, and I seen the car, and I'm like, man, like that's nice, right? So I go inside of the gas station, I put my money on my pump, and the dude in line and say he just caught a flat. Now, my car does not keep a flat tire in the trunk, but I bought one because of that. I got to be prepared. I got to be ahead of the market or ahead of the problem. So I literally lend this guy my flat tire. And he was like, yo, I'll pay you for it. Nah, bro, just call me tomorrow when you get it done, and I'll come pick it up. You know what I'm saying? RNA all day. So hopefully fulfills this bargain on his end of it, you know what I mean? Because you don't want to mess over God's people, you know what I mean? So, man, that's why I was late today, guys. I was on time. Man, salute to y'all, man. Sell Stocks Not Dope. We are powered by T-Shirt King 247.com. If you guys want to get some of the merch, you guys can hit me on a DM, or you can email tshirtkings247 at gmail.com, or you can hit me up at dashresource@gmail.com, and I can get you some merch sent to you no matter where you are in the world, man. I love y'all, man. Welcome to the cool table. Slick.